Hello Corvette people out there, Lyle at C&S Corvettes, and I want to tell you about something special that we're doing, and I'm calling it Christmas Lights in July, specifically Morimoto Lights for the C6 Corvette. Now, if you've been to my website and if you've watched some of my other videos, you've probably seen me talk about the Corvette Morimoto LED headlights, LED tail lights, the new Morimoto specific LED fog lamp assemblies for your C6, and of course we do very, very well with our LED smoked side markers. And our website functions in a simple way. We give you a price, there is no shipping, the price is the price, and we ship it out immediately. What we're doing is Christmas in July, Christmas lights in July, if you buy the Christmas in July special, which includes Morimoto headlights here, Morimoto taillights here, Morimoto fog lamp assemblies, which this is a picture of those, and our LED side markers here. That entire kit is $2,299 shipped to your door. In addition to that, you will be getting a $100 C&S Corvettes gift certificate. Good for anything that we sell, anything that we make, anything that we can resource for you. That is a transferable, and it's transferable. You can give it to your friend for Christmas, you can give it to your wife for Christmas, you can use it yourself, and it never expires. So that is the special that we're offering. The reason I'm doing this now is the supply chain on Morimoto headlamps, there's only a single supplier in the United States, and every month they sell out. Their shipment container comes in, they fill their back orders, they end up with 5 or 6 sets left, and then for the next 30 to 45 days, there's none available. So I've ordered a bulk order of all of this stuff. I have a limited supply. We are not talking a ton of inventory here, but everything that's part of the kit that I just showed you is here on the ground. And if you are thinking about doing this sometime in the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, or you're thinking about doing this for yourself or for somebody you love for Christmas, now's the time because it is in inventory. I can ship it to you directly and you'll have it. The closer we get to Christmas, the more difficult it's going to be to plan finding someone with this stuff in inventory, getting it in time for Christmas, getting it installed. So to recap, Morimoto headlights, Morimoto taillights, red or smoke, you get to choose, Morimoto side markers, only in smoke, and the Morimoto fog light assemblies. $2,299 shipped anywhere in the lower 48, and you get a C&S Corvettes $100 gift card for you to use how you choose or give to whomever you choose. If you have questions about this, make sure to email me at lyle@corvettepartscenter.com, and I have a handful of these guys. We're not talking 30, 50 pieces. We're talking less than that. So if this is something you want to do, get on it quickly, because once this deal's gone, once my bulk order is empty, I'm out just like everybody else for the next 45 days. Call me if you have any questions about this particular order, 800-886-5064, and Merry Christmas.